Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy last minute DIY Teachers Day card for Teachers Day. Now I'm going to open it. It looks pretty, doesn't it? So let's start making it. First, to make the card, you need two different colored sheets. I'm using orange and yellow. You can use any other colors which you like. We need 4 circles, 2 from each sheet of 7 cm radius. Now I will draw the circles. Now we should draw another one. Now draw it on the other sheet. Like this. Now after you draw the circles, you should cut them. I have cut it. Now I will show you how to put it together and make a card. First we should fold all the circles in half. Now take 2 circles, open them and place it like this. These 2 creases should meet here. Now take the other circle. And then place it here. Then place the last circle like this. Now you should stick it. this. Now should stick the last one. Now allow it to dry. While this dries, I will show you how to make the heart. For making the heart, cut out a 5 cm radius circle, fold it in half, then fold it like this. And then like this. Now fold it back like this. Open it, and now you should fold it alternately till the top like this. Now fold it in half. Like this. And then stick it over here. Hold it like this. And then open it. Now your heart is ready. Now I will write Teacher's Day wishes for the card. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you shower, makes you the world's best teacher. Happy Teachers Day. There we go. Now we should stick this inside the card. Like this. Now take a strip of paper and measure it around the card like this, and now you should stick it. This. Stick it a little loose so that it will be easy to pull it out and put it back in. Now take the heart and stick it in the center like this. And now you should allow it to dry. Now it has dried. I will show you how it looks when you open it. Here you can write the wishes that you want to convey to your teacher. I hope you'll make this card on Teachers' Day for your teacher. I wish all my teachers a happy Teachers' Day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.